It is my brother that's head is sitting in front of Carpinteria High School.
A language lesson. The word mascot comes from the Spanish word mascota, which means pet. Native Americans are not your pets.
That's how I feel when I see people painted up with war paint and feathers and making noises. That hurts me.
But having a mascot like that, it doesn't, you hear from all of us, it doesn't honor us at all. If you want to honor us, honestly, teach it in the classroom.
When you use an ethnic group as a mascot, it dehumanizes them. It makes them less human. It prevents you from really respecting Native Americans as equal human beings.
Whereupon, the three of us who voted to remove the warrior mascot were subjected to unwarranted abuse. I personally received several death threats. I was invited more than once to leave town.
My own family has been subjected to slander and defamation.
I have received scorn because I am Native. I have had people come to me and threaten me based on my Native heritage.
Glass was thrown in my yard on more than one occasion.
While he was practicing for the play, some people wrote this on his playbook. It says, "You are a," and the B word, "F you, and I hope you die."
The American Psychological Association is troubled. United States Commission on Civil Rights says eliminate. The National Collegiate Athletic Association says no.
Mascots should not be made to fashion or character after real people, let alone racial minorities, 2% of the population, let alone people who have been here for thousands of years. It is not your right to use us as a mascot.
And our children can't learn when they're in a hostile environment. That creates hostility.
The ultimate degradation of a human mascot, as shown in this scene, compares except for a degree with the humiliation Native American students face attending schools with an Indian mascot. Please support legislation banning Indian mascots from the public schools.